Hi, how can I help you today?
Hello, I need a nice outfit for my best friend's wedding. Could you help me?
Of course, I'd love to help. Do you have any specific style in mind? Maybe a dress or a suit?
I was thinking about a dress. Something elegant but not too formal. You know, a perfect mix of stylish and comfortable.
Right. Would you prefer something in light colors like pastel, or are you thinking about something more vibrant like red or gold?
I think something soft and elegant would be perfect. Maybe a light pink or lavender.
Uh-huh. Let me show you a few options. How about a beautiful A-line dress?
Ooh, I love A-line dresses. They're so flattering and comfortable. Do you have something in pink, maybe?
Yes, absolutely. Pink adds such a soft and classy touch. Let me show you this lovely dress. It's the last one.
Wow, it looks beautiful. Wait, this is the last one left?
Yes, it's our limited design. We only sell 5 of these, only.
That's exactly what I need. Do you think this dress would look good with silver accessories, or should I go with gold?
Gold would be absolutely stunning with pink. I'd also recommend a delicate silver necklace and some sparkly earrings to complete the look.
Gold is my absolute favorite. Great, I'm sold. Where can I try this?
Of course. Let me grab a fitting room for you. I'm sure you'll look stunning in it.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited. I just hope my friend will like it as much as I do.
Hi, girl. Welcome to Summy Style.
Hello, I'm looking for a nice beach hat. I'm going on a beach trip with my friends soon.
Ooh, that sounds fun. Do you have a specific style in mind?
I think a wide-brimmed hat would be perfect. I want something stylish, but also practical to protect my face from the sun.
Great choice. Would you prefer a light color like white or beige, or maybe something more colorful?
I think white or beige would be better. I want something simple.
Perfect. I have just the thing. Let me show you this lovely white-brimmed straw hat. Isn't it stylish?
Oh, that looks gorgeous. But does it fit well? The beach is pretty windy and I don't want to lose another hat.
Another? Oh, don't worry, it's adjustable. See, you can tighten or loosen the band inside for a perfect fit.
Wow, that's awesome. I have never had an adjustable hat before.
Then you really need one.
Do you have it in any other colors?
Yes, we also have it in light pink and navy blue. But if you ask me, I think white or beige would be perfect for your beach trip.
I agree. I'll take the beige one. Do you think it will be easy to pack in my suitcase?
Absolutely. It's lightweight and crushable, so it will fit in your bag without any problem. Let me show you.
I'll take it. How much is it?
Just $8. It's actually $10, but we have a summer discount. Want me to grab it for you?
Here's the cash.
All right, here's your bag. Enjoy your beach trip.
Oh, thank you so much. See you.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas!
Haha, happy Christmas. Well, I need to find something for a Christmas family party. My sister set a red dress code, and I happen to have nothing in red.
Oh, how fun! A Christmas party with a red dress code sounds festive. Would you like something formal or more casual? Haha, you got it quick. I think something a bit dressy, but not too much. Got it. How about a plain red sweater or a shirt paired with red trousers? We have a great selection for this season.
A sweater sounds good, but I think red trousers as well may be too much.
I see. Let me help you check out the sweater first. We've got some stylish red sweaters. I'd recommend a fitted one to keep it sleek, and it will look great with black or navy trousers.
Wow, that sounds perfect. Do you have anything with a little design or pattern, not just plain red?
Yes, we have a few options with a subtle pattern, like a light checkered or striped design. Let me show you this red sweater with a fine pattern. It's festive, but not too loud.
Ooh, I like that striped one. It's stylish without being too much.
Sharp eyes. So, is that your call?
Yeah, I think that'll work. Striped red sweater and some jeans, which I already have at home, so I will go with that.
Got it. And any accessories? Maybe a scarf or something to add a little extra?
Oh, right. A nice red or green scarf would be perfect for the Christmas vibe, don't you think? I'll take the sweater, trousers, and a scarf. Can I try them on?
Of course. Let me grab the fitting room for you. I'm sure you'll look amazing in it.
Thanks so much. I can't wait to see how it looks.
You'll look great, I'm sure. I'll be right here if you need anything else.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Haha, I'm looking for a comfortable pair of running shoes. I'm joining my office's marathon next week.
Oh, that's exciting. Marathon training and races require the right shoes. Are you looking for something with extra cushioning or more support?
Now, I'm not quite a sporty dude, but definitely extra cushioning. I've had issues with blisters and sore feet in the past.
All right, let me show you some of our top marathon shoes. We have a few options with great padding and shock absorption.
Great words. I'm all in. Oh, I also need something that's lightweight, not too heavy.
Absolutely. Let me show you these running shoes. They're light, with great cushioning, and designed to handle the stress of long-distance running.
Great, but do you have them in a different color, though? I'm not a fan of bright neon.
No problem. We have them in more neutral colors like black, navy, and gray. I think you'll like the navy one. It matches your eyes.
Haha, you noticed? These eyes are beautiful, but kind of blurry now. So are they good for running on different surfaces, like asphalt and dirt trails?
Haha, don't worry. These shoes have a durable outsole that's perfect for both paved roads and trail running, so you'll be safe no matter where the race takes you.
Awesome, I'll take them. Can you take me a pair in size 7.5?
Of course. Please wait right here. I will come back shortly.
Thanks. Ha, you really helped me out a lot today.
My pleasure. Good luck with the race. You'll be ready for it in no time.
Hi there, welcome to Anna's Bag. How can I help you today?
Hi. Wow, such a cute store. So, I'm looking for a new work bag. I've been using the same backpack since high school, but it looks too childish now. I need something more grown up. I understand. Are you looking for a handbag or a briefcase? I was thinking about a handbag or maybe a briefcase? I don't know anymore. Can you just show me something? Got it. We have some great handbags that are stylish but still functional for work. Please take a look here.
Oh my, that's one huge.
I'm worried that if it's too big, it'll be in the way. I need to travel a lot. I see. This one is fairly small and elegant. Do you want to try this one? Ooh, cute one. Let me see. Now that's a cute handbag. Many girls love this design. So is it the one? I'm just thinking, don't you think it's a little small? If it's too small, I won't have enough space for my laptop and essentials. Okay, here I have some options. A medium-sized one that's perfect for a laptop and a few other items, and a larger one that has more space but might be a bit bulkier. What do you think?
The medium-sized one looks good. Do you have any pink ones?
Oh, pink. Let me take a look. Oh, I wish I did, but unfortunately, the medium size doesn't come in pink.
Oh, sorry for wasting your time then. I can't buy anything that is not pink.
Wait. We have this backpack in a soft blush pink. It's a great shade, really feminine. Do you like it?
Oh, I like blush pink, but a backpack? I really don't want it to be too bulky for the office.
No, it's not bulky at all. Look, it's a backpack with a sleek design, small enough to carry comfortably, but it still has enough space for your laptop. Oh, that's exactly what I'm looking for. My, I did not know a backpack could be this cute. It's so perfect, so elegant, so pink. Exactly, so pink. I'm sold. I'll take it. I'm so glad I found something that's both functional and cute. I'm sure you'll love it. Let me get that ready for you.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons. Now we have a fun homework for you. Please comment below and tell us, what are you wearing today? Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.